Before cutting with the reciprocating saw, make sure you know what's behind the wood you are about to cut out. You don't want to cut into any electrical wires or any plumbing pipes that you're not supposed to. Remove all backing and blocks between the studs. This will make it easier to remove the studs later on. If you have electricity running into your bathroom for lighting that you need as you're working, then this means that chances are the wires are going to be live. Or if you're unsure that the wires have power to them, either way, just to make it nice and safe, you'll need to cut out the wires from the studs and freeing the wires from the wall. Make a cut into the stud near the top of the wire and near the bottom of the wire, and then remove the small piece of wood, freeing the wire from the stud. Make sure to be very careful that you don't accidentally cut into the wire. Next, pry the electrical box off the stud. If it is metal, just be careful. The reason for this is that is any of the wire touching the electrical box, there could be a current running through that metal box, which can definitely cause an electrical hazard or give you a bit of a shock when you touch the box. Continue this process with all of the wires and plumbing lines in the wall, cutting them out from the studs, freeing them. Then remove the studs from the wall. Now that you have removed all of your studs from your wall, you can remove your top plates and your bottom plate. Here you can see I'm using a flush cutting saw. The reason for this is to try and hold up a reciprocating saw might be a bit too heavy and a little bit more difficult, which then could potentially cause an accident of cutting into that wire. And of course I have electricity in my bathroom, so it's very dangerous. So I felt that using a flush cutting saw was much safer. Whereas you can have a bit more control using the flush cutting saw. And once you're done removing everything and your whole area is cleaned up, just take any garbage or anything down that could be in your way when you go to build your new wall. And this is the final product of what you should be left with after removing all of your top plates and studs from the wall. And now you'll want to shut off your power to your bathroom before cutting any electrical lines and shut off your water before cutting any plumbing pipes, or have a professional do this for you.